These are 3D printed jacking covers for my Mondeo Mk3. We're going to be painting them up and fitting them. So yeah guys, like I've just said in the intro, I have been missing these since day one and they are rare. They are very uncommon to find, especially in the right colour. So what we're talking about here is the Mondeo STs. So they've got a low line kit all the way around the front bumper, the rear bumper and the side skirts. And like most Ford's STs, they have jacking point covers. These fall off every single Ford. I don't know a single Ford owner that hasn't said that they've lost one of these of any ST model they own, Fiesta, Focus, Mondeo, whatever, and they've completely lost them. And they are rare to find. They're hard to find, especially in a colour, especially on a car as rare as, say, that Mondeo Mk3 ST. It's not that rare of a car in retrospect, but they are, because they're old and these are not common. So I found a guy on the club that was able to 3D print them. This is his name. I'm sure he won't mind me giving him a shout, so go talk to him if you want these. It was £50. He printed me the full set, two fronts, two rears. They're really good quality, and also he's improved the design. These little holes here are so you can either bolt or completely tech screw this into the bodywork of the thing, because I've got to admit, you don't need these. You don't need them. You only, to get around this, you just get a block of wood on your jack and put it on the sill. That you don't need these. These are really silly things on all cars. I don't understand the point of them. I know at the side of the road when you've got to change a tyre, obviously it protects you from the metal, but realistically these days, who is doing that? No one. You know, I've never really done it. I've always sort of made someone come out to me with my spare wheels and jack the car up. So let's get on with, you know, giving these a light sand, and then we're going to paint them in obviously Panther black paint, which is what my Mk3 ST Mondeo is, and then we'll fit them. And I think that's going to complete the look of the car, because obviously the shots on the screen like I'm showing you, the car has always looked unfinished. It looks incomplete. So yeah, let's get on and do it. So these are obviously the jacking covers. Because they are 3D printed, they are going to need a sand. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to give them a light sand over to make them smoother. Now I'm giving them a primer coat. And after a few layers, it's time for the full paint. Now for the Panther black paint, and a good few coats of this, and then a good amount of 2K clear coat to finish. Once it's dry, it's time to put them on the car. I'm jacking the car up so I've got room to install them and screw them in place. As you can see, these fit really nicely and they click into place really well. For 3D printing, the fitment is actually very good. I'm using self-tapping screws to screw them into the side skirts. And now for the fronts. The same story, good fitment and then self-tapping screws to make them extra secure. And now once the car is cleaned, these are going to look extremely good and won't look any different, I think, to standard ones. So guys, what a difference that has made. It makes the whole car look complete now. It's like it's not missing something, because What I hate about a car is when it's missing stuff like that. It's those little details that make it good. If you watched my original video when I bought the Mk3 Mondeo ST, you'll know that I did the aerial, the interior bits, the external bits. I changed the bulbs in it. I polished the headlights. It was all those little things that come together to make a really full, complete, you know, nice piece of, you know, automotive car. That's what you do, isn't it? Like that's how. There's the little things that come together to make the big picture, and they really finish it off. They look great. They're amazing quality. I know they're going to last for a long, long time. You know, the paint looks good on them. They match really well. They're really good with the bumpers and all that. It's just a really good all-round product. So shout out, 50 quid, can't go wrong. Anyways guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Hope you've enjoyed it, hope you liked it. Hope you can sort of do the same if you're missing these on the Mondeo and you want some 3D printed ones. I'd definitely go and talk to him and get some, because 50 quid can't go wrong. If you want second-hand ones, I've seen 50 quid each, and there's 4 of them. So, you know, 50 quid for a full set. I know you'll get the people out there going, oh no, not the original Ford ones. Who cares? Who the hell is gonna ever know? You know, it's a jacking point cover. I know there's the fuel purists out there, they're gonna say something about it, I get that, but at the end of the day, it's a piece of plastic. So yeah, we've done a really good job there. The car looks great. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Don't forget to comment if you've been able to do it yourself or you're looking for these parts. I'll leave links, you know, obviously in the description and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more content like this, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Keep enjoying your crusty, rusty, modified cars.